Samsung is one step away from quietly releasing the Galaxy A24. The low-cost phone now has a full landing page on Samsung's Vietnamese online portal, where the company confirms our expectations regarding design, color options, and hardware specs. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Anyway, let's get back to what we were discussing earlier. Only two details are missing from the spec sheet provided by Samsung. Those are the name and make of the SoC and the version of Android OS. However, the chipset is likely the MediaTek Helio G99. The version of Android OS that the Galaxy A24 will run on may not be Android 12 as previously rumored. This news should come as a relief to potential buyers of the device. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the Android OS version, the online user manual provided by the company suggests that it will be Android 13. Additionally, an early online benchmark for the Galaxy A24 also hinted at the use of Android 13. Therefore, it appears that the recent rumors about the phone shipping with Android May 12 not have been accurate. Now that we have clarified the uncertainties surrounding the version of the Android OS, the only remaining details missing from the official page are the price and release date. However, we do have some information from Vietnam, where Samsung appears to be preparing to launch the Galaxy A24 in two color options, black and lime green. The device will also be available in two memory configurations, offering either 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The presentation page also confirms the phone's entire range of colors, even though they might not all become available in Vietnam. The promotional material shows the Galaxy A24 in black, burgundy, lime green, and mirror silver. The Galaxy A24 has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus display that is iCare certified, which means it emits fewer harmful blue light radiations. The Galaxy A24's camera system includes a 50MP main camera with an f/1.8 aperture and OIS, optical image stabilization, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, f/2.2, and a 2MP macro camera, f/2.4. On the front of the device, there is a 13MP selfie camera with an f/2.2 aperture. The phone weighs 195 grams and measures 162.1 by 77.6 by 8.3 millimeters. It has a 3.5 millimeters audio port and expandable storage. In terms of connectivity, it benefits from NFC Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and Wi-Fi 802.11/B/G/N/AC. The phone weighs 195 grams and measures 162.1 by 77.6 by 8.3 millimeters. It has a 3.5 millimeters audio port and expandable storage. Thanks for tuning in to this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.